Hello, my friends. Well, the guest artist today, Kari Stelma, from the state of Washington, will be using the leftovers from the ring and ribbon we did the other day and doing a chameleon pour. We have not tried it with this polyacrylic mix, so this will be interesting.
Could be a dud.
See how it works. It could be fantastic. We just don't know. So Kari's going to fill up the cup. We'll speed this part up. Okay, cup's filled. Kari's going to flip it, and she knows what to do.
I'll be safe.
Be anxious to see how this works with the oil. We're using the hair serum for our oil. What's that?
Right away.
I think there's plenty of paint. You don't have to worry about. I think there's
Get
plenty on there. Now we know it doesn't matter what it looks like at this point because the chameleon cells are going to completely transform the appearance. Although, you know, it's interesting as is, but do we have a lump of something or is that just a bubble? I think it's just a bubble.
I think it's the stubborn bubble. Trying to get to this corner here.
Just enough paint, huh? You can use the stylus or a toothpick and pop it.
Oh, there it went.
Okay, maybe tilt a little more that way. Because, yeah, just to get the... It's coming. Just... I'll tell you when. Okay, good. Weird.
Yeah. Almost covered my line. This one's not quite.
Oh, just take your finger maybe and add some to it. All right. Yeah, I never worry about the sides. That can be filled in. It just wasn't covered over the edge on that a little bit. Okay. And now the magic begins. We're using a stylus this time to dip into the oil.
I'm just going to do a circle.
Okay. And we will speed this part up to...
It's turning out pretty well, I think.
Yeah. I do like the ease of the ready mix paints, but I'm happy to see that this works perfectly fine, and maybe it'll hold the cell shapes really well. I think it looks really fascinating.
2 totally different paintings.
Yeah.
Same colors.
Why don't you dip a couple more right there? Yeah.
Yeah, I think I used the bigger.
All right. My friends, I'm going to bring you in to look at this. I think it looks fantastic. Good job, Kari.
Thanks, Chris.
Look at this.
Yeah, that one I really liked is
nicely
gone.
shaped. Oh, I think they're really nicely shaped. And we were concerned about the blue and the yellow corners being too solid, but I think they balance the whole piece. The composition is wonderful. I'm very pleased. Good job.
Thanks. Looks good.
Okay, my friends, now we know that the polyacrylic mix will also work for the chameleon pour.
Cheap paints.
Yep, with cheap paints. That's true.
Craft paint.
So thank you for joining us, and we're going to figure out what we're going to do next. See you then.